Has your Facebook account been locked unexpectedly? Don't worry. In this video, we'll teach you quick and easy steps to unlock your account and get back online. Hello and welcome to our channel. If you're struggling with your Facebook account being locked, this is the video you don't want to miss. We'll guide you through straightforward steps and alternative solutions to ensure you recover your account quickly and hassle-free. This message has frustrated many of us. Your Facebook account has been locked. Now is the time to solve that problem easily with steps that work. Why do accounts get locked? Suspicious activities, such as logging in from unfamiliar devices, violating Facebook's community standards, receiving complaints from other users, sharing prohibited content like spam or false information, verification issues due to fake or misleading account details. Now, let's talk about how to unlock your account. Follow these steps. Step 1. Go to the Facebook login page and enter your email or phone number. When you log in, you'll see the message, "Your account has been locked." Step 2. Click the Get Started button and follow the prompts. Step 3. Facebook may ask you to verify your identity. For example, completing a security check by identifying photos of your friends, submitting a government-issued ID. This is a helpful method if you have valid ID matching your account details. However, most of us face challenges because 1. We don't have an ID. 2. The names on our IDs don't match the ones on Facebook. If you need to change your Facebook details, like your name or birth date, to match your ID, there's a video link in the description that explains how to do it step by step. Now, for everyone else, let's use a method that doesn't require any ID. Pay attention and follow along with these steps. Step-by-step guide to solve the issue. 1. Open Google Chrome on your device. 2. Search for Facebook Help Center in the search bar and press Enter. 3. Click the first link titled Facebook Help Center to access the official website. 4. Scroll down to the section labeled Login and Password and click on it. 5. On the next page, select Fix a Login Problem. 6. Then click Recover your Facebook account if you can't log in. 7. Scroll down to the question, "Was this helpful?" and select No. 8. When asked what went wrong, choose The solution doesn't work. 9. You'll be redirected to a form where you can describe your issue. Write this message in the box provided, "Hello dear Facebook team, my Facebook account has been locked. I want to unlock my account, but I am getting the confirm your identity or get a code by email option. Please provide me with another option so that I can unlock my account. Thank you." Fill in the required fields. Full name. Enter the full name used on your Facebook account. Email address. Enter the email address linked to your Facebook account. Finally, click Submit to send your message to Facebook. Be patient as it may take some time to receive a response. How to send an appeal via email. Another effective way is to send an appeal directly to Facebook's support team via email. Steps to submit an appeal. 1. Open your email app, Gmail, Outlook, etc. on your phone or computer. 2. Click Compose to write a new email. 3. In the To section, enter Facebook's appeal email, appeals@facebook.com. 4. In the subject line, write Request to unlock disabled Facebook account. 5. In the email body, write a polite appeal message like this. Subject: Request to unlock disabled Facebook account. Dear Facebook team, I hope this message finds you well. I am writing to appeal for the reinstatement of my Facebook account. My account has been locked and I believe this may have been a misunderstanding or an automated action. Here are my details. Full name: enter your full name as it appears on your account. Email address: linked to account. Enter the email linked to your Facebook account. Phone number: linked to account, if any. Enter your phone number if connected to your account. I use my Facebook account for state your purpose, such as work, connecting with family, or business. Losing access to my account has been quite inconvenient, and I kindly request you to review my account to resolve this matter. I am happy to provide any additional information or documents that may be required to verify my identity. Thank you for your time and assistance. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Kind regards. 6. After completing the email, click Send to deliver your appeal. 7. Be patient while waiting for Facebook's response. They will reply to the same email you used to send the appeal. Important tips: ensure all information provided matches your Facebook account details. Avoid using angry or accusatory language. Be patient, as responses from Facebook may take a few days. Conclusion: thank you for watching this video. We hope these steps help you unlock your Facebook account. Remember, patience is essential when dealing with account issues through Facebook. Using the proper channels, such as support emails and appeals, can increase your chances of success. If this video helped you, please give it a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and solutions. Stay tuned for more content to help you navigate digital challenges. Thank you for being with us, and we wish you success.